Hello from me, Lazar Christov. Welcome to the next series of tutorials on creating a website from scratch. Currently, we are working on my third book, or second as a whole. Let's open the PDF on the Lazarus site, because it is located there on the page, Books. Well, this is it. Master techniques in 3 and adaptive and responsive design, and it hasn't been uploaded to my other site yet, because I still have to finish it. I'm working on it. Let's open the PDF file. So, the next component for adaptability in modern design is this, the Viewport meta tag. It can be translated as viewport. It represents the visible area, for the user, of a given web page. This viewport is different for each device and depends on its size. For example, the visible area on a computer screen is much larger than on a mobile phone. In HTML5, a method was introduced that allows web designers to take control of the viewport via the viewport tag. To use it, you must include the following line in your web page code, and you must place it in the head section of your HTML file, in this way, for example. Here it is. It can also be placed before, positioned higher up. The viewport tag gives instructions to the browser how to control the dimensions and scale of the page. And viewport specifies that the width of our web page should be equal to the screen width of the specific device. And initial scale equals 1.0 sets the initial zoom level, and when it is equal to 1, it actually means there is no scaling. Here is an example, which we will see here in the PDF file. There is no point in doing it in the browser. Here is how this web page looks on a mobile phone without the viewport tag. You see, nothing can be read. And when the viewport tag is included, now it looks very good. Here is the syntax. Content can contain the following values: width, height, scale. This is for gestures and maximum scale, maximum scaling level. In general, that's everything regarding the basics, all the most important theory on the essence of adaptive design. In the next lessons, we will look at a comprehensive example of adaptive design. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.